Hi, welcome to my piano bar and studio. Today is Sunday morning and I'm training my vocals with this funny small keyboard, you see. Oh, I'm sorry. And now let's start together. 1, 2, 1, 2, breath. 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 It's just a small example for using this musical style in very unusual contemporary way. So, we'll be continue. Stay with me and sing clearly. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we are in jazz again. We are. So let's try something new. Please show me your teeth and sing with me. We are. We are. We are. We are. We are. We are. Hello. Today I'll show you how you can spend your free time singing a cappella at the place with a good acoustic. By the way, for example, when you are going home, take traditional Russian song like this. Sing with me. Are you ready? Yeah. 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 Bottle away and your free farm. Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to train the singing of seventh chords built on a major scale. Usually I take any words for singing very simple exercise like this. No. No. And then we're going down from the highest note. Try to do it and subscribe. See you. Hi friends, now take any CD from your library, turn the music on and improvise with it in your favorite style. And please use the seventh chords from the last lesson. Now I'll show you how it works. Let's go. La ba da ba da ba way ba little way la da 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 ba 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 way wa ba way little day ba little way little sa da 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 it's very good. Ba ba da da ba. Ba Everybody loves, everybody dances. Everybody knows, everybody feels. You and me. Me and you. So good, so good, so good. So good, so good, so good.